What's up guys, so I have Pokemon cards. They're basically the Sword and Shield high tier. This is the box. There's 10 packs of these, but I actually gave out 2 of them to my niece and nephew, so I'm gonna open all 8 of them. Be degenerate, you know. So this is how the box looks like if you guys do buy a box pack. They look like this: closed, opened, open. Then I'm gonna show you the sides too. It looks like that. And this is the Japanese version, so yeah. So let's get popping. Hopefully I open some new ones, or some good ones I mean. Open all of them since this videos, and these are all like basically all holographics, I believe, for that. Let's see if I get some good ones. Oh, then also I got this from TcgJunkies. Shout out to him for all these cool Pokemon cards I always get from. Let's get open the first one out of 8. It's supposed to be 10, but out of 8 though. Ooh, okay. Charizard, okay. Another Charizard. That's what it's Dragon. Then I do have some. I bought some of these bad boys called a Volt X soft sleeves. I'll put the link at the very bottom of the description. But yeah, careful with Pokemon cards. So basically, you know, you get 30 fingers or. Try to get the card out the sleeves. These are one of the best side cards that I love these cards. These are like one of the best ones. You get to pull like 4 or 5 of the all like holographics or shinies sometimes. This is the second pack. Wish me luck. Shout out to TcgJunkies again. Thank you again for the cards. Dude, sick, and then holographic energy. These are worth every penny, dude. So if you guys ever do buy some, check them out. Follow TcgJunkies. They always have some cool stuff or all the new stuff too. If you want like One Piece cards as well, they always have One Piece, and then I think they're getting some other new stuff too. So shout out to them again, thanks. There's another one. This is the 3rd pack. Ooh, okay. Not bad. So if you want your cards to be good condition, you hold them for a long time, they're super good. So try not to scratch them with these scissors. Kind of scary sometimes. dope. This is the fifth one. Let's see what we pull. I got parasite. Okay. Not bad. Yeah, so this is the Sword and Shield high tier. This is the S12A pack. So okay, another one. Let's open it all the way. Seven pack. Wish me luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Not bad. These are some dope cards. Dude, the artwork is so crazy on these too. Fucking love them. Dude, the pool of the Charizard was pretty good, so I'm pretty happy with those. And the artwork for these is nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, cool. Fingerprints on them. Yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please like the video, comment what you guys think, and what kind of video should I do next. Yeah, but then these cards are gonna go to the non-holographic side. And if you guys want some of these Pokemon cards, let me know. got this. Chargers number 1. This is what I use. This is what I use. This is what I use. And trickers. Not bad. Everything's whatever. This is awesome. This charger's good. This is cool. This is good. This guy right here. Whatever is. Okay, yeah, so if you guys like the video about these top 2, the Charizards right here. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Thanks again. Oh yeah, and this is how it looks like too. Okay, so the VSTARS Sword and Shield, the high tier basically. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, then it's S12A.